Hey, if this is the first time stopping by my channel, my name is Brandon. Thanks for stopping by. And if you're a returning viewer, thanks for being a subscriber to my channel. And with that, we're going to jump right into today's video, affiliate marketing for beginners. What they don't tell you about affiliate marketing is if you're going to get started in affiliate marketing, you're going to have to put a small bit of money up front for most companies. But if you stay tuned to the end, I have a surprise for you where we'll help you get started in affiliate marketing for free. That's right, you heard it, for free. But let's go ahead and jump right into today's video. Affiliate marketing is by far the most easiest way for anyone who wants to learn to make money online. A lot of these affiliate marketing companies do offer training to help get you set up, to help get you started. And then after that, you're pretty much on your own. But hey, if you subscribe to this channel, I will give weekly tips on things you can do, how you can generate leads and build a pretty feasible income in the shortest period as possible, as long as you follow the rules. Because number one, affiliate marketing is something that you have to constantly do. You know, you have to have all the systems in place. You have to have email marketing in place, blogging, setting up YouTube channels. And I know for a lot of people, it could be a headache, but then again, you're just getting started. So anytime you start something, it's going to be very difficult because you're brand new to it. This is not something that you're doing every day. But one thing you need with an affiliate marketing company is to sign up with, your basic email platforms like Constant Contact, or you got to sign up with Aweber, because, you want the leads that you get, you want to keep just in case you decide to move on to another affiliate marketing company that you're not happy, so you already have some leads to market to. And this is where a lot of people fail at in affiliate marketing, is because they go out here and they do all this marketing and don't sign up and use the email platform or whichever company that you have. And then when you move on from the company, they still have your leads to market to. But we're not going to do that here. We're going to, the program that I'm a part of and that you, if you like, you can be a part of too. It's totally free to get started, where you get your email marketing platform, blogging platform. I will include the description I will include the link in the description below. But you get everything that you need. You get your email marketing platform, blogging, because blogging, email marketing, excuse me for a minute, and YouTube is by far the best ways for you to generate leads that return into clients, and clients that return into sales. See, affiliate marketing, in any type of marketing, email marketing especially, is not a one and done thing. You have to keep putting out videos, writing blog posts. But hey, if you subscribe to this channel, we're going to show you how you could do these things in a weekend and have blog posts, YouTube videos, shorts, you name it, done over the weekend. And for the next 7 days, you'll be able to generate a small, y'all gotta excuse me, you'll be able to generate a small sum of leads and show you the easy way on how to do affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing does not have to be difficult if you just follow the instructions. A lot of people get these affiliate marketing courses on how to, get more leads, how to do this, how to do that. You always have to be doing something if you want to make it as an affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, it can be fun. I know when I got started back in early 2000s with a company that isn't even around anymore, is where I learned a lot of my tips and stuff that I'm constantly doing now to get leads, and it really works. You just have to remain consistent at it and you have to be willing to put a little money up for stuff like email marketing, because as far as you optimizing your website, making it to the top of Google, that could take anywhere from 6 to 8 months, possibly a year. And the quickest way is doing a YouTube video, doing blog posts, or email marketing, where you pay a company, they type you up some emails, or if you know how to do it yourself, you could type you some email and send it out on blast to people that's looking for opportunities like yours. And depending on what market you is, you might want to do a little research so you can get a feel of where your customers are on their journey. Are they looking to start now? Do they want a little free information? Don't be afraid to reach out to your clients once you start getting leads, and keep talking to them. Let them know about webinars you're having. Let them know about your new YouTube channel that you got, and that you answer questions. These are by far some of the ways that you can generate leads and do it for free. But that's all I have for you guys for today. Click if you like the channel, like it, share, subscribe. In the link below, click on. You can check out the opportunity that I have to offer here. It's totally free, and you could be on your way to making a little money at affiliate marketing. Thank you, and have a great day.